In this support video, we will be replacing the control panel for all 8067 dishwasher models. Let's open the dishwasher door and remove all the surrounding screws. You will need a Torx T20 screw bit. Start removing all the screws around the panel door and remember their sizes for later reconnecting. To avoid falling out, hold both the panel and door together when unscrewing. The door will spring forth once it is released. Unplug the wire harness and remove the control panel. With your new control panel, align and place back into position. Reconnect the wire harness. Place the door latch back into position. Align the door and the panel. There are 3 different sizes of screws. Use the medium-sized screw for the door latch. Then use the larger screws for the screws on the door latch sides. Align the door with the panel and use the small screws to fasten. This completes the installation.